Hello friends, this is Lady Flora, and I just had to show you this osprey, and I believe he just caught something. I saw him flying through the air holding something in his talons. I'm not sure what it was, but I like to say talons. And the nest has been there for quite a while. I don't think it's in use at the moment, but it is a osprey nest. And there's actually like a little ditch retaining pond nearby that he probably gets all his fish out of. But yeah, he was sitting up on top of a building a few minutes ago, just like screeching, and really not sure why. There is actually another osprey. Sorry for the shaky camera. Right there. So I don't know if they are in competition with each other. Sorry guys. So shaky. Or if they like each other or what, but yeah, there's just a lot of osprey activity going on. It's pretty cool. I really do love birds of prey. They're a little bit intimidating. Well, I hope you're having a great Friday, and I hope you have a great weekend. If you're new, I would love to have you like, comment, subscribe, and share. As I've said before, I believe that connecting with nature can have a positive influence on your life. And then after you do that, go outside and have a sublime day.